In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to use the same WhatsApp on two different phones with no extra app needed. So considering the fact that you already have a WhatsApp account, and now say supposing you want to log into the same account using the same number that you did on this WhatsApp account on a different device, this is what you need to do. So this is your first account. So in order for you to log into the second WhatsApp account on your second phone or another phone, you need to get hold of your other phone and open the Chrome browser, or you could use any other website browsers like Opera or Firefox. That's totally on you. Once you do that, I need you to do a search for WhatsApp. Once you do a search for WhatsApp, you get all the search suggestions out here. Here you need to click on the first link for whatsapp.com. Okay, so you're doing this on your second phone, okay, not the first phone. Once you are here, I need you to click on the three dot icons, assuming the fact that you are using Google Chrome, and you scroll down and checkbox desktop site if it is not checkboxed. Okay, so you checkbox desktop site, and once you do that, you get to see a desktop site out here on whatsapp.com on your phone itself. The next thing to do is scroll right down, click on WhatsApp web. You would get to a web page like this with a QR code to the top right. Just forget about that. Click on link with phone number. Next, you put in your phone number. This should be the same phone number that you are already logged into the first phone or the first device. Okay, so let me do that quickly here. Once you put in the number, you click on next. So the next thing is you get a code like this to enter in on your phone. So you open the WhatsApp account and you click on confirm. Then you need to unlock the device with your fingerprint or the code that you're using and put in the code that was sent by WhatsApp. Once you do that, you're going to get access for the same WhatsApp account on the second phone. So I hope this was simple, quick and easy. If you did get some value, give my video a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.